You're not broke. You're financially undisciplined. That might sound harsh, but stay with me. Most people think they have an income problem. They believe if they just earned a little more, everything would finally fall into place. But here's the uncomfortable truth. There are people earning twice your salary who are still stressed about money. And there are people earning less than you who are quietly building savings. So what's the difference? It's not luck. It's not talent. It's not even opportunity. It's discipline. Every month your salary hits your account. For a moment, you feel in control. You feel secure. Then life starts happening. You order food because you're tired. You upgrade something because you deserve it. You say yes to plans because you don't want to miss out. You swipe your card without thinking. None of these decisions feel big. But money rarely disappears in one dramatic moment. It leaks. Slowly. Quietly. Repeatedly. And by the end of the month, you're confused. Where did it all go? It didn't disappear. It followed your habits. Here's the part most people avoid. Financial discipline has nothing to do with being cheap. It has nothing to do with cutting all joy from your life. It's about control. Can you delay a purchase? Can you say no when everyone else says yes? Can you stick to a plan when motivation fades? Most people rely on motivation. Disciplined people rely on systems. That's the difference. Imagine two people earning the same salary. Person A spends first and saves what's left. Person B saves first and spends what's left. At the end of a year, Person B has built momentum. Person A has built stress. The income was the same. The behavior wasn't. A lot of spending is emotional. You're not buying things because you need them. You're buying convenience. You're buying comfort. You're buying status. You're buying distraction. And there's nothing wrong with enjoying your money. But if every emotional impulse turns into a transaction, you're not in control anymore. Discipline means creating space between emotion and action. You want something. Instead of buying it immediately, you wait 48 hours. You feel like upgrading your lifestyle after a raise. Instead of upgrading, you increase your savings rate. You get a bonus. Instead of celebrating with spending, you strengthen your future. That's discipline, and it compounds. Wealth isn't built by big moments. It's built by boring consistency. The boring act of tracking your expenses. The boring act of transferring money into savings automatically. The boring act of ignoring trends and focusing on your long-term goals. It's not exciting, but it works. Now let's talk about what real financial discipline looks like. First, you need clarity. Track every expense for 30 days. Second, pay yourself first. Third, set boundaries. Fourth, remove friction from good decisions and add friction to bad ones. And finally, accept discomfort. Discipline feels restrictive at first, but freedom later often requires restraint now. Many people say, I'll start being disciplined when I earn more. That's backwards. More money doesn't fix bad habits. It amplifies them. Discipline is a skill. You build it decision by decision, month by month, habit by habit. You're not broke. You're undisciplined. And the good news? Discipline can be built, starting today.